Wow. I love to cook, and spending time with my family in the kitchen is really important to me. I have fond memories of cooking with my grandmother when I was a little girl. And that's why I'm here with Red Tractor to host their intergenerational cook-off and explore different family recipes. So let's get cooking and find out which nostalgic dishes our families are going to rustle up, because I'm starving. Should we get cooking? Let's get these aprons on.
This is a dish that I remember learning to cook at school specifically, but I also just remember being given it as a child. Like, it was very much something my grandma would have made.
Did you spend time in the kitchen with your dad?
Yes, I did. I used to spend time with him, watching him cooking out. That's where I get my influences from.
We grew up with a lot of Egyptian cooking and Chinese Singaporean cooking in the house. So this is sort of like a modern take on that.
Love that.
For the family.
See, we're cooking and getting a facial at the same time.
I love it. I love it. I love cooking with my family because I feel like it's a real time to bond. From a really early age, I think it's really important that they understand the value of food and the importance of nutrition.
You always go out and look for Red Tractor.
For us, it's really important that we can trace the food and also buy British as well.
I've got to say, every single dish looks incredible. You've all done a wonderful job. Should we tuck in? Are the meatballs good? Delicious. I won't be greedy. Some delicious dishes prepared using Red Tractor assured ingredients. I've loved it, but I gotta go polish off the leftovers.